Ba.
Ba.
Alo, xuống đây kìa. Đó. Chúng mời mày. Đúng rồi.
Get Ringo around the other side to identify the woman. That's Danford. Hawaii 5, confirm PID, please.
PID, Susan Hill and Danford.
We have Danford.
But we can't enter the militia-controlled area.
No.
What's the plan, General?
Well, using the Reaper, we have the ability to strike a target with considerable accuracy. If you agree, Minister, we could eliminate her.
Absolutely not.
Ma'am, she's a member of Al-Shabaab and number 4 on our East African most wanted list.
I don't care about your list, General. I came here to witness a capture, not a targeted assassination.
George?
Yes, I'm sorry, Frank. I agree with Angela. The idea was to capture Danford, not kill her. This was the mission approved by the PM, and as Attorney General, that is what I came here to witness. We want her brought back to this country to stand trial.
Right. I'll put that to Colonel Powell.
What's happening?
Oh no.
Hey, Matt, what's going on?
We got a beat inside that house and we're seeing a bunch of people we don't like.
That's him. That's her husband. Hawaii 5, confirm. Sherman 5-0, we've got them both.
Yes, ma'am. This is wonderful.
I need Peg 90 to take me into the other rooms.
كيف ديارسة؟
ها
معاوي
عيالكم مترجمين
نقول عيال كرا
فيري مقعة
قالي
فيري شقة برتا
اه
سؤال بلدياشان قد واحد قد يدوحون كتنا على عكاك